They say money doesn't grow on trees, but in the Indus River Delta region of Pakistan's southern province Sindh, mangroves are making millions. The trees are a natural shield against planet-warming carbon emissions.
ये एक आम दरख्त के निस्बत 4 गुना ज़्यादा
They absorb 4 times more carbon than an ordinary tree. Their roots first grow below the ground and then grow out. They have more mass below ground and absorb more carbon even in the soil.
वो ज़्यादा होते हैं, यानी ये सॉइल में भी ज़्यादा कार्बन एब्जॉर्ब कर रही होती हैं.
That makes mangroves valuable in carbon trading markets, where individuals, companies, and countries buy credits to compensate for their greenhouse gas emissions. To harness mangroves' money-making potential, the Sindh government launched the Delta Blue Carbon or DBC-1 project in 2015 with a private partner, Indus Delta Capital. DBC-1 is a 60-year project to protect and expand mangrove forest over 350,000 hectares and sell carbon credits generated through them. So far, the project has earned some $40 million in carbon credit sales. Fatma Bibi is among hundreds of locals making a living through mangrove seed collection and planting.
My uncle has a huge boat. We all get into that boat and go to the forest and gather seeds. We make a decent living.
The Sindh government gets 40% of DBC-1's carbon credit earnings, according to Divisional Forest Officer Shehzad Sadiq Gill. That's a hefty $14 million after taxes so far.
It will be used on other ecosystems in Sindh. It can be used for mangroves, but we also have riverine ecosystem, inland forests, social forestry, rangelands. There is a huge potential.
The Sindh government can also use the money for other public services. But Gill says the funds are still sitting idle in the provincial government's account. That's largely because of a lack of decision-making, driven by political instability. Severe weather that officials blame on global warming continues to wreak havoc. But political instability has also left Pakistan without a national carbon trading policy. Critics say that deprives the country of much-needed income to strengthen defense against climate change. In January, then Secretary of the Ministry of Climate Change told VOA the framework was ready.
It has taken a couple of years. The biggest challenge was capacity and lack of clarity also.
But a new government that came in March has not said when it'll roll out the policy. Opponents of carbon trading allege it lets polluters pass the buck. But proponents say monetizing climate change mitigation efforts helps engage communities.
If you put it at tag value and an incentive value, the consistency would automatically come out, and that's happening with the carbon credit project.
In August 2023, Sindh government launched DBC-2. That project covers 250,000 hectares of land. The Indus River Delta is spread over 670,000 hectares. Officials hope to have mangrove forests across much of it by 2030. Earnings from carbon credit sales will fund that effort. That means the trees will pay for themselves while helping Pakistan's earnings grow. Sara Zaman, VOA News, Katie Bandar, Sindh, Pakistan.